Lay the dishwasher on its front, door side down, and remove the screws as shown. The screws at the bottom of the dishwasher must also be loosened and removed. The bottom panel can now be removed. Remove the drain hose and inlet valve. Remove the metal plate for easier access. Remove the screws from the pump discharge so that it becomes loose. Remove the wires from the drain pump. Loosen the screws of the drain pump as shown so you only hold the pump. Place the new drain pump to the drain and screw them together. Reattach the cabling back to the pump. Reattach the metal plate back and screw it tightly. Reattach the inlet valve and drain hose back to the plate. The bottom of the dishwasher can be screwed back on along with the rear plate.